You searched how to buy shares of CapsoVision Inc., a medical technology company focused on ophthalmic devices that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CV. This video is educational only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and here I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and then add funds to be able to place orders. On the eToro platform, use the search bar to type the ticker CV or the company name. Select the listing that matches CapsoVision Inc. to locate the correct stock. The asset page shows basic company information and a price chart with recent trading history. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker CV to ensure you are on the right stock page. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your CapsoVision position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to review the platform used in this example.